Yeah, 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 how? Yeah, 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 how? Yeah, 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 how? Where are the people who are saying, oh, Prabhas career over? मीन्स प्रशांत नील कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा, ओमबाड़े फिल्म्स कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा, फ्लॉप हो जाएगा, डिजास्टर हो जाएगा. मतलब आदि पुरुष जैसा मतलब टट्टी पिक्चर है ये. आदि पुरुष इतना घटिया है, ये भी टट्टी है आदि पुरुष के जैसा. वेयर आर दे? अरे देयर इज अ बिग डिफरेंस. द बिग डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रशांत नील, कन्नड़ा डायरेक्टर, एंड ओमबाड़े फिल्म्स. ओके, एंड ओमबाड़े फिल्म्स ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड एवरीबडी नोस. केजीएफ, कांतारा, एवरीबडी नोस हाउ दे डिड द फिल्म्स. Okay, Ombale's reputation, and this one Salar now. Everybody knows what is the reputation. सामने आएगा तो मतलब डेंग बिड़ते नहीं, that's it. डेंग बिड़ते नहीं, वर्दक बुत्ते नहीं, that's it. सामने मत आओ, वर्दक बुत्ते नहीं, डेंग बिड़ते नहीं, that's it. डेंग बिड़ते नहीं मोमेंट दिस इज एक्चुअली. 2018 में भी हिस्ट्री हुआ है, अभी भी हिस्ट्री. तो मतलब इवन कांतारा ऑल्सो 10 बॉलीवुड फिल्म्स ऑल्सो केम क्लैशिंग. Each Bollywood films got left, right, center, right, left, got bangings. That's it. Also, you don't know Prabhas's track record actually. तो आपको लोगों को प्रभास का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड पता ही नहीं है, करियर का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड ही पता नहीं है. ठीक है, मैं बता देता हूं आपको फॉर अ काइंड इंफॉर्मेशन. बिफोर बाहुबली, he did a movie actually called as Mirchi. I think Mirchi only was there. Okay, that was also an A-rated movie. That it's giving a beautiful message that wars can never be won. Something means victory can never be achieved by war, but victory can be achieved by forgiveness. That message it is given in the Mirchi movie. That was an A-rated movie. It has become a blockbuster. Now Salar also is an A-rated movie, and you know the rest is history. Salar has crossed 200 crores net India net collection within 3 days at the box office. मतलब पूरा सुनामी आ गया है थिएटर्स में, पूरा सुनामी at the box office दोस्तों. 209 crores with a clash with Donkey. Even after having a clash, tough competition, 209 crores net. 136 crores from Telugu belt and 50 or 55 crores from the Hindi belt. So 180 crores or something, and remaining is from the other South languages, dub versions, Malayalam, Kannada, then Tamil and everywhere. So it has crossed 209 crores India net collection. Just imagine dosto, just imagine. Means this is the greatest comeback, I would say, yaar. This is the greatest comeback. Yesterday I went to the theaters, you know. I watched second time this movie. Single screen theater I went. Okay, there shockingly popcorn price is only 40 rupees. Then chips price is 50 rupees. Means you get a reasonable rate. You get the snacks and you get water bottle also for a reasonable rate. Okay, compared to multiplex bullshit lauda multiplexes, you get at reasonable rate. So that उधर ही मतलब मन भर गया है. फिर पिक्चर देखने के बाद मतलब इतना शोर, इतना सीटी, इतना तालियां, मतलब हिंदी बेल्ट में पूरा छपड़ा फाड़ दिया, पूरा छपड़ा फाड़ दिया. सिंगल स्क्रीन हैज टर्न इनटू स्टेडियम्स यार. मतलब सीरियसली दिस इज आफ्टर बाहुबली यार. दिस इज प्रभास's like best film यार. Seriously, I'm telling you. With A-rated certificate, with Clash, then after sharing screens also and everything, this much of collection, 402 crores worldwide itself within 3 days. मतलब कितना करेगा? पार्ट 1 में भी ऐसा हाल है यार. सलार सीजफायर पार्ट 1 दिस वन इज, इसमें ही इतना हालत है. मतलब सोचो अगर मतलब पार्ट 2 आएगा तो क्या हालत होगा यार, क्या हालत होगा. वो अनबिलीवेबल यार. टू गुड दैट वन वाज. इतना शोर, इतना सीटिया. और जब पिक्चर खत्म हो गया है तो लोग गालियां दे रहा था कि क्यों पिक्चर खत्म हो गया, और देखना चाहिए था, मतलब मनी नहीं भरा है. सेकेंड टाइम जा रहे हैं लोग, सेकेंड टाइम टिकट खरीद रहा है और सेकेंड टाइम जा रहे हैं पिक्चर देखने के लिए, कहानी समझने के लिए. स्पेशली द मूवी एक्चुअली स्टार्ट्स इन द सेकेंड हाफ. द मूवी फर्स्ट हाफ इज बेसिकली बिल्ड अप, but the second half, that whole world of Khansar, it's actually not first half, second half. It's pre-interval, post-interval. Pre-interval is 1 hour or 1 hour 10 minutes. Then post-interval is 1 hour 55 or 1 hour 45 minutes. So post-interval is the main one, yaar. Main one. तो क्यों कहानी खत्म हो गया है? That last cliffhanger where Prabhas is actually revealed as the prince of the Khansar, and he's actually the means he should be actually the king or whatever, prince or whatever it is. He should be having the chair. But he left, and that Jagapati Babu's character wanted to kill the whole tribe. wanted to eliminate the whole tribe and everything, but one of them is still alive and he is the one. मतलब लोगों ने इतना सीटियां, इतना तालियां बजाया ना कि शब्द कम है. और जो मतलब शर्ट खोल के जो शॉट लिया है ना यार, पूरा मतलब जो sword fighting, sword skills that Prabhas is showing, seriously यार, it reminded me of Bahubali. 3-4 scenes are reminding me of Bahubali only यार, especially that head cutting scene and everything, and that last that cliffhanger. Then even that first half when he's walking and everything, that style also when he's doing the first time action and everything, seriously it's reminding of Bahubali. This Prashant Neel has presented this Prabhas like a Bahubali only, proper Bahubali, and this is the first time a director is utilizing Prabhas' strengths. Single expression, single or 3 times 4 times expression he has given. Okay, with that, the way he has presented with arms, legs, body and everything, see, the way he has presented past, present and switch and turn and cuts and everything, seriously yaar, romte khare ho gaye yaar. Too good presentation by Prashant Neel. This is skills has to go to Prashant Neel yaar. Credit has to go to Prashant Neel. He has written that Khansar beautifully. The way he has written that story is absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. मतलब जब पिक्चर खत्म होता है तब लोग मतलब पार्ट 2 के लिए वेट कर रहा है कि कब आएगा पार्ट 2. लाइक दैट एंटिसिपेशन इज देयर. सीरियसली आई एम ईगरली वेटिंग फॉर दैट पार्ट 2 यार. व्हेन इट विल कम, व्हाट Prabhas, हाउ Prabhas, whether they'll be remaining friends or not, how they turned enemies. Then lot of questions are there in the mind यार, lot of questions are there in the mind. जब पार्ट 2 आएगा वही मतलब समझ में आएगा. Then how Jagapati Babu, what will happen to Jagapati Babu? Then what will happen to that Prithviraj's sister, step sister? What is her role actually? Whether she'll split both of them or not? Means a lot of question is there. Means this is, I think, this is not a part 2 movie. This will be a part 3 movie. I think this is Prashant Neel's Mahabharat actually. People are not understanding his vision, but this movie will become a huge success. And you see the real Prashant Neel in the part 2 and part 3. Pakka this is going to be. There's a huge story this is actually. Huge. मीन्स एक्सलेंट यार. पीपल मतलब जब सेकेंड हाफ स्टार्ट हुआ ना, लोगों को प्रशांत नील का विजन पता लग गया है क्या है पिक्चर में, क्या नहीं है. ओके, एंड इन प्रशांत नील्स मूवी, okay, hero should have a screen presence. Hero should have a screen presence, and people are comparing with KGF. KGF is a different world. This is a different world. KGF is built out of Kolar Goldfields. This is based out of Kansar. Yeah, style and format might be similar. That is a style of filmmaking, but it's a completely different world. Okay, there Rocky Bhai is having pura matlab swags, means dialogue baji and everything, pura matlab one-to-one tussle with the dialogues and everything. That is Yash's personality. But here Prabhas is a he-man. Prabhas is a he-man, that full one punch, that this thing they have shown, that he-man is basically. No talking, no dialogues, only action speaks louder than words. Action speaks louder than words. His action speaks louder than words, dosto. Prabhas is. His action, his brute force speaks louder than words. He doesn't talk much, no dialogues, nothing. Only he knows one dialogue, I am sorry, that's it. So that is the character. So each and every actor have his strength, and the character also will be designed according to the actor's strength. You cannot compare both the worlds and say that, oh, like that. You cannot say like that, oh, and all everything. Now public has shown what is the film and how is the film and everything. Seriously, yaar, amazing. Even the child actors have acted really well. Actually, I like the child actors superbly, absolutely. They have performed really well. They have kept the emotions alive. Actually, that cut present. And you know, this और जब पिक्चर खत्म हो गया है, तब लोगों ने ओम राउत को गालियां दे रहा था, गालियां. ओम राउत रेस्ट इन पीस. ओम राउत को गालियां दे रहा था, बाल्टी भर के गालियां दे रहा था ओम राउत को. Seriously, guys, Om Raut has been insulted badly. People were insulting that how he has presented Prabhas in Adipurush, and they are praising Prashant Neel. See, same year, two different directors. See the caliber of two directors. See the caliber of Prashant Neel and see the caliber of that Om useless Raut. How he has presented Ramayana. He insulted Ramayana, that Om Raut. And here, Prashant Neel, he is inspiring. Means this movie actually, if you see properly, that Prithviraj's character and that Prabhas's character is inspired from Mahabharata. Actually, that Prithviraj Sukumaran's character is actually Duryodhana, dosto. He is Duryodhana, and this Prabhas's character is actually Karna. Okay, Karna is basically fire. Okay, fire and its sun actually. It's representing the sun. So you see the last shot of the movie, you will understand that Prabhas is presented in full, means like a sun it is presented, full red and everything. And even one scene is there, that Kali Mata scene is there. That first BGM which I played in the start of the video, that ho, and that full Kali Mata ka beta and that full that thing is there. There also you see from the background, you'll see that full fire is there, full fire. That is showing that he is actually the son of Karna, means he is actually Karna. Means it's symbolizing Karna actually. So it's Duryodhana and Karna, and in the movie starting that you'll see, means when both of them will be a child, that time Prithviraj's character has given a territory to save that Deva's character, means Prabhas's character. Similarly, in Mahabharata also you have seen that Duryodhana actually has given a territory to Karna to have Karna in his team. Like that, because Karna has impressed Duryodhana, means too much. He has impressed him. So that's why that friendship, there also Duryodhana and Karna were best friends. Here also, both of them, this Varda Raja Mannar and this Deva was best friends. Both of them were best friends. So it's inspired from Mahabharata. See, in an action film, proper action film, they are giving glimpses of Mahabharata and how he is symbolizing Mahabharata and how he is presenting it in the Indian film. And there's Om Raut, Bollywood director. What is he doing? I don't know. Full Ramayana is making, or whatever he is making. He insulted that Ramayana in the same year, that too. In the same year, within 6 months it has happened. 6 months. See the difference, see the level this one is. Also, वो भी मतलब आदिपुरुष बनाया है 600 करोड़ बजट लेके, 600 करोड़. Om Raut 600 crores he has taken budget. Adipurush, and this movie budget they are saying 400 crores they were saying, that is including Prabhas's salary. Now they are saying Prabhas will not take the salary, he will take the profit sharing. क्योंकि इतना पैसा आ गया है, salary से ज्यादा पैसा मिलेगा, तो अभी 270 crores हो गया budget. So 130 crores is the Prabhas salary, that is cut down. So 270 crores is the budget. Okay, so now profit sharing will happen. Profit sharing will happen, he'll take the 20% or 30%, Prabhas will take the profit sharing. So the budget has been cut down. So this is going to be a mega blockbuster. Everybody knows it's going to be a blockbuster, bumper blockbuster. So profit sharing will be happening. So this is the level. This is the level, and you see what happens. It'll be देखना मजेदार होगा कितना कलेक्शन करता है ये सालार मूवी. क्या 500 करोड़ तक जाती है कि नहीं, क्या होता है नहीं. मतलब इम्प्रेसिव यार. पार्ट 1 में इतना सुनामी आ गया है, पार्ट 2 में क्या होगा पता नहीं यार. सुपर्ब यार, सुपर्ब. एब्सोल्युटली ब्रिलियंट, एब्सोल्युटली ब्रिलियंट. 3 days 400 crores. अनबिलीवेबल, इनक्रेडिबल. वो भी 3 फिल्में डिजास्टर देने के बाद. डिजास्टर मतलब this Radheshyam was a flop, means disaster. Then Adipurush was a ultra mega disaster. Then Saho तो मतलब फ्लॉप है, मतलब हिंदी में थोड़ा कलेक्शन किया है लेकिन बाकी सब टेरिटरीज में फ्लॉप है. And this is actually the greatest comeback. Why I'll tell is simply because, boss, after Adipurush it was down and out. Nobody expected that he'll come back or anything. Adipurush time, that was really very means tough times. That one was very tough times. Matlab left, right, center people were humiliating and abusing. Left, right, center they were telling. Okay, but in the same year, within 6 months, full tables have turned. Full perspective changed. So equation changes every Friday. Equation changes every Friday. People's perception changes every Friday. अगर आप अच्छी पिक्चर बनाओगे, लोगों आपको पसंद करेगा, लोगों आपको सर पे चढ़ाएगा. आप अगर घटिया फिल्म बनाओगे तो आप जितना भी तुर्रम खान हो, जितना भी बड़ा मतलब माशाल हो, कुछ भी हो, ठीक है, तो आपको मतलब गिरा ही देगा. सिंपल इक्वेशंस, सिंपल इंग्लिश, नो कंफ्यूजन.